In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin charts on WhatsApp. This is very important, especially if you want your charts to be displayed at the top of all other charts. Maybe it's a chart that you frequent most of the time, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open WhatsApp. Now, here I have various charts here, but I want the chart that is at the bottom to appear at the top of all other charts. What do I do? First, make sure you follow every step here. Click on the chart and long press it or hold it like this. Then you will see a pin icon at the top. Just tap on the pin icon once. Now you can see the chart appears at the top. By doing this, I have successfully pinned the chart at the top. If you found help in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out. Thank you.